Hello, this is a video to showcase the access options available in eSpectra. From the logged in landing page, you can click on this button in the upper right-hand corner to view the access options. There are two premium access option types, individual access and team access. You can see that the features and functionalities available for each are listed underneath each. You're able to search, plot, and store with individual access and with team access. One of the key differences for team access is that if you are a PI managing an entire research team or you're part of a research team, you actually can share your siloed data sets among your team members without sharing with the greater eSpectra community. Once you've identified the access type you'd like, you can click select and then follow the instructions. From the logged in landing page, if you are curious to know what your current access type is, you can go to this button here that says welcome, and it will have your first name and then your last name. And you can click on manage profile. Under manage profile in the bottom section, you'll see active subscription plan, and it will either be free or it will be premium. If you do not currently have a subscription with eSpectra, you can view the access options just from the logged out landing page by scrolling to the bottom. As you can see, there are a variety of features and functionality that are available for even the free user. If you registered for eSpectra during a promotional period, you might have had premium access gifted for a number of months. At the end of that time period, you would have been downgraded to free access. When you log in, you might see first this banner ad at the top, ready for the next step, upgrade to premium today. And when you click on that button, you're brought to the premium access types. Also, as you saw from the logged out landing page, you still have the ability to upload and store your data, as well as search with free access. However, what you will find when you perform a search is that you can view the general information about each of the spectra, including the peak energy assignments, but you are unable to add or remove spectra into the selected results section, restricting you from plotting or downloading the data sets. To gain access to plot and to download the data sets, simply click on the access options button and select the access type you would like. For any additional questions or to contact our sales team or a representative, you can email us at espectrahelp@aip.org.